Lot number 203 is a 2002 Dodge Ram 3500 utility truck. This one has a 5.9 liter V8 with only 77,000 original miles. The motor sounds good, but it does not idle. I need to sit there and hold the accelerator for it to idle. Another thing I noticed is the serpentine belt is loose and coming off. It appears that the tensioner is not really putting any tension. So it may be that it may have a pulley that is stuck, but the belt is halfway on, halfway off, and it's gonna break. This one should not be driven home. This truck should be picked up on a tow truck and get it properly serviced. The motor sounds good. I cranked it up, I moved it around here in the parking lot, and engine sounds good. Automatic transmission engages. The AC does nothing. It may be missing the blower motor, but there's nothing going on with the AC. I'll crank it up so that you can hear it, but I'm gonna shut it off quickly because I don't want the belt to break on me before I park it in its spot. Here we go. All right, that's it. It definitely sounds like it has a bad pulley somewhere. It's got low miles, 77,000. The body is straight. The paint is rough. It's peeling, it's faded. The front bumper has some dents and it's missing the plastic trim. Headlights look dull. It's got all matching steel wheels. The tires look worn. Here's the passenger side. It's got decals on the door that have been painted over. The utility bed shows wear. Some of the doors don't open. This one opens fine. This one is stuck in place. Doesn't open. Looks like it's hitting up here. The bottom one has a bad latch. Opens freely. Rear bumper looks good. The floor in the bed appears to be solid. It's got a heavy duty ladder rack. Passenger side shows normal wear, minor dings and dents and scratches and surface rust and paint peeling. All the cabinet doors on this side open and close as they should. It's missing the hubcaps, and again the paint looks really rough. Interior shows normal wear. It's got some dents up here. Driver's seat is torn. Headliner is torn and hanging. Dashboard is cracked. Passenger seat looks good, and the center console armrest looks good. Alright, so there it is. It's a Dodge Ram 3500 utility truck. It will need some service. It's got low miles. Appears to be in good shape. It's lot number 203. Lot 203. Good luck.